Hi traders and welcome to Elite Currency weekly trading areas, quick trading areas. Before we start, have in mind that Forex trading carries a high level of risk that is unsure for all investors. Please educate yourselves on the risks associated with Forex market before we start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. And again, guys, quickly for all of you who enjoy trading ideas, you can enjoy even more by trading with us. This is my FX book verified account. I started it from 10,000. I brought it up to 70. Now it's 65, constantly going up. The curve on this account is exceptional. So if you want to see more of these guys, join ecslive.com where you will gain constant profits if you follow my trades, as you can see from my FX book. So again, my FX book, fully verified account, and this is basically what we have here, fully verified account, and you can see that account is constantly growing. Let me quickly give you the correct picture. Here, this is it, late 5 minutes ago, updated, and lately we had excellent trades with Camerala MACD, EA, Camerala MACD, IP retracements, and of course, this will be also integrated into the expert advisor. Probably that will be due in maybe some 7-8 months from now. But generally, from December 2018 to 2020 February, you can see the account from 10,000 to almost 70,000. Of course, the drawdown is from profits only. So you see the drawdown from profits. The deposit never went below the the deposit never dropped below 0%. So basically, the price the account return on investment never dropped below 0%. The drawdown is from profits only. So if you're willing to risk profits, you can always make your account go sky high. But, well, this is it. Clearly, results are there. Everything is transparent. And of course, for more of these guys to have full trading ideas with complete trade management and risk assessment, feel free to join, of course, Elite Currency ECS Live service. Very affordable, and of course, join ECS Live or go for my methods, which, of course, soon the price will go further up, and we will raise the price in Camerala MACD because of, well, you can see huge success. Now, quickly, let's see the ideas. Euro dollar positional buy 1.08. 00 to 20, 0790 stop TP 0920, sell is 0920 stop 0960 0850 TP. You can always have 15 pip margin to the both sides. So sell can happen around 095 or around 0935. These are all medium points. So these are all predictions because I'm always getting with market orders, but I cannot predict the exact market order. But just in case, this is the zone, so 50 pip buffer to the both sides. As I say, for more precise entries, always follow ECS Live, instant trading ideas with market orders. GBP dollar 130.00, sell, stop loss 30.30, TP 29.00. Euro New Zealand buy is 70.30, stop loss 70.00, TP 71.70. Gold 1640 is entry, 1625 stop, 1690 is the target. And of course, these are four markets. I'm not into the Bitcoin right now. It's a very purely speculative asset. If the price comes a little bit, then I will do the analysis. Now only Forex. So this is it: Euro dollar, GBP dollar, Euro New Zealand, and gold. And again, guys, these are quick trading ideas. For more trading ideas, of course, join ECS Live, where we have always clear market orders, trade management with exact scaling in, scaling out levels, full profit taking, and full moving of trailing stop into the profit zone. Thank you guys for listening. These are quick trading ideas. See you next week. Cheers and trade safe.